In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in the Audible app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what to expect as the app updates its interface language. This is about changing the app's menus and labels. It doesn't change the language of individual audiobooks or narrations. First, open the Audible app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your library and home tabs. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app beforehand so the language option appears where we expect it. A stable internet connection helps the app apply changes smoothly. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your Audible account. Use the account you normally use for purchases and your library. If you have extra verification turned on, complete that as well. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. Next, head to your profile and then into settings. Your profile icon is typically at the bottom right or top right of the screen, and the settings gear is inside that profile area. Tap the gear to open the full list of preferences. If you don't see a gear, look for a menu labeled Settings within your profile page. Now, find the language option and select Open Settings. Depending on your device and app version, Audible may show a language item that either lets you pick a language in the app or takes you to your device's system settings. If you see Open Settings, tap it. This will switch you over to your device's language settings because in some versions, Audible follows your phone's language. That's normal. Finally, choose your preferred language from the list. If you're in your device settings, adjust the device language and return to Audible. If the app has its own language list, pick the language there and confirm. The interface may refresh immediately, or you might need to close and reopen the app for every screen to update. Give it a moment after switching. Menus, tabs, and prompts should now display in the language you selected. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Not every language is available in every region, and store recommendations may look different after a switch. Changing the interface language won't translate audiobooks. You'll still choose audiobook languages when you browse or search. If you don't see the language setting, update Audible to the latest version and try again. And if the change doesn't appear right away, a quick app restart usually completes it. That's it. Your Audible app language is updated and ready to go.